Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the exact Ford fob model because the opening method differs slightly. Once confirmed, place the fob face down on a soft cloth to protect it. Use a coin or flat tool at the designated seam and apply steady pressure. Do not pry at electronics. You will feel the case begin to separate. Keep the release button depressed on flip keys so the blade doesn't obstruct the split. This first move prevents damage and lets you access the battery safely. Once the case is open, locate the round coin cell and observe the polarity. Ford fobs usually show a plus symbol. Next, use a plastic pry tool or fingernail to lift the battery straight out. Avoid twisting metal tools that can short the pads. After removal, inspect and lightly clean the contacts with a cotton swab and a drop of isopropyl alcohol. This ensures a good electrical connection. Make sure debris is gone, because a dirty contact causes intermittent signals. Place the new CR 2032 into the holder matching the original polarity and press it flat so it sits flush. You should feel it seat into the clips. Align the case halves and snap them together firmly until you hear the click. Ensure the rubber seal sits correctly so buttons stay responsive. Reinsert the metal key blade if removed. Finally, stand beside the van and test lock, unlock, panic, and any remote start. If buttons fail, reopen and check battery seating and contact cleanliness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.